So this week's challenge is to try to put as many socks on one foot as you can. So here's me doing that. Yep. A lot of socks. My foot hurt afterward. It was like feeling all numb and stuff. So okay. I'm very excited for Christmas. I don't know, like I just love seeing family and singing songs. And I don't think it's premature to sing Christmas carols at the beginning of December. I usually start singing them at the beginning of this November. Yes, I'm just so excited to sing those songs because they make me so excited to see my family. And yes, my family is very big into having Christmas lights. We put up a Christmas tree. My mom always says that we're gonna put lights like outside around the house, but she never succeeds in doing those. She says she does, but she never does. But it's okay. But we have lots of decorations inside the house. Like on the stairs. There's a reef. When you come into the house and you can see it, it's really pretty. So that's something.